My video is about removing the fake human verification alerts which come from the site seletssilvully.com. Seletssilvully.com is a new malicious site which displays fake human verification alerts. This website tries to trick you into clicking on the allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. When people mistakenly agree with this proposal and click on allow, their browser gets hijacked and infected. So people get redirected to some malicious sites. Also, they will soon start receiving a lot of pop-ups in the form of push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, make sure you urgently fix your browser. Go to the menu, go to settings, select privacy and security, then site settings. In permissions, choose notifications and pay attention to all these websites which are allowed to send notifications. When you find this seletssilvully.com, you should remove it from the list. I also recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Using this green button, download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help.
After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.